Today I will be teaching you how to make vegan pancakes. First, we will start with showing you the measurements for the ingredients. First is a half cup of unsweetened applesauce, then a half cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we will start by mixing together the wet ingredients. First is the unsweetened applesauce. Next comes the almond milk. And then the lemon juice. And finally, the vanilla extract. We will whisk these all together until they are consistent. Next, we will mix the dry ingredients consisting of the almond flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, the salt, and the cinnamon, and whisk them together. Now we will mix both the wet and dry ingredients together, making sure not to mix too much or too little, creating lumps. Next, we will put a non-stick skillet on low heat. After the skillet has now heated up, we will put about 1/4 cup of pancake batter into the pan. You will let it sit there for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the edges start browning. Now that the edges have started browning, we will flip the pancake and we will cook the other side for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now that the pancake is done cooking, you are free to put whatever toppings. I chose maple syrup with some fruit. I lightly drizzled it on, and it will be ready to eat.